Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maria and today I am going to be pouring this. It's like a door mold or like a portal of some sort, and it's actually one of those infinity mirror molds. It comes with the mirror and the half lens and the lights. So we pour this, then demold it, and then you put the mirror on the front here, you put the light in on there, and then you put the back lens on the back, obviously, and then when you switch the light on, it looks like the lights just it's really cool. I can't wait to see it. If I can do it properly, it'll be really cool. If not, then it'll be really dumb. So hopefully I'll be able to do it. And if you do get one of these, it's on Amazon, and the reviews on it are really bad. It says there's no instructions, it doesn't come with instructions, and no, it doesn't, but the instructions are on the Amazon listing. So if you can just either screenshot that or print it out, which is even better, and you've got the instructions there whenever you need them. So, you know, it's a bit unfair that they're getting bad review for not having instructions, because they are actually there. But you do not, whatever you do, touch that screen when you've peeled off that blue protecting film. So you do not touch that. So it's going to be, I've got to be dainty. And I'm more of a bull in a china shop kind of gal. So it's going to be fun. Hopefully it'll work. So I'm going to get mixing, and I'm going to mix up about 150, maybe. That'll probably be a little bit too much, but I have got drip molds which are my into resin, turtles and butterflies, and flower, which I use. I absolutely love them, and I turn them into brooches or magnets, so I don't mind having more than enough of them. I'm going to actually colour the resin in purple. I think me and Angel decided on yeah, the purple metallic pigment paste from Temu, if I can find it. I think Angel got it. Yeah. No. Yeah, she did. Yeah, so I'll be using that pigment paste. I thought it'd be quite cool with like the dark purple and the infinity mirror, if we can get it to work. So I will bring you back when I am ready to pour. I will see you soon. Hey, well, I made up 150 mils like I said I was going to, and I use this. I can't tell you how much I'm in love with these pigment pastes. They are probably the best thing I've bought off Temu, and I've bought a lot, as you know. I just put a tiny end of a lollipop stick in there after I've stirred it, and just put it in here, and it just coloured it. Look at that colour. That's absolutely stunning. Even I can see that's a really nice colour. I did put a little bit of crushed crystal in there because I thought it's nice, sparkly, it's kind of magical mould, so why not? Alright, I'm just going to pour now, guys. I'm just going to drip it into there. And like I said, the instructions are there, but they are on the actual listing of the item. Now, I didn't do a squishy, but it's too full now. I think that'll be fine though. So basically, I think it took about 100. Let's have a look. Yeah, it took 100 mils. Right, I've got my long neck lighter. Yeah, there's a bubble. That's good. Just make sure it's gone all under here. I am just going to run my little tool all around the edge. Make sure there's no trapped bubbles. There, that's gone all the way under there. Always have kitchen roll or a wipe or a tissue or something next to you, so you can just wipe your tools clean when you've used them. Basically, that's that done. All I'm going to do now is just get one of my drip molds. I think the flower would be really pretty in this colour. So we'll see how that will go. These are into resin molds and they are absolutely stunning. They're the only kind of expensive molds I've ever bought, and that was like a birthday treat to myself. Right, now turtle. Always a turtle. Love this little dude or dudette. And there's a tiny little bit left, so I know there's sunflowers, but they're right here. Right guys, I've cleaned up. All I've got to do now is let that cure, and I'll let that cure overnight, and I will bring you back tomorrow and we'll have a go at putting it together. So I will see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back. It's the next day. Everything is set. We'll just do the extras first. Beautiful. Who wouldn't love a purple, I think it was. Yeah, purple sunflower. Right, and this I should imagine will be beautiful. Yep, never disappointed in that. Even in aquacast, if you do it in aquacast, you can cover it with a dragonfly glaze and it makes it all sparkly. It's really beautiful. On one of my videos I used this dragonfly glaze and it made it so pretty. Right, and the flower, absolutely stunning. Right, so then my drip mold's done. Now for this. Nice flexible mold, makes demolding it a lot easier. Still a bit bendy actually, you guys. It's been over 24 hours, but that is what you get. So really nice colour. I'll put the tiniest amount of crushed crystal in there. Let's see, so the wire goes there with the lights. Got to try and work out how to put it all together now. And you've got to make sure that the wire is in that bit there. And then that goes around there on the inside, obviously. It's sticky, I'm just like testing it. Yeah, so that goes in there like that. Perfect. Okay guys, I just printed off the instructions. I thought I don't actually need them because I've actually read them on Amazon, but I thought just to show you, if you need them, you can screenshot it now. So that's what it turns out like. Hopefully, if I could do it properly. And then this is the other bit. It just explains like the mirror and the double-sided mirror. I know what I'm doing. Oh dear. Right, first of all, I'm going to do this because this is the first step. I'm going to try and peel the backing off. If you need the instructions and you don't screenshot that, just give me a message. I'll soon write them down for you and send them to you. But I mean, that's if you're impressed by this. I mean, you might not be. I might get it wrong. Just sticking it down as I go. Want it a bit further back than that. Yeah, lovely. I should imagine these would be really good sellers as well. So, and I know they work because I have tested them, but I will just show you. I don't make anything unless if it needs a light, I test the lights first, but you're nice and bright. And make sure that goes in there. That's really cute. I like that. Now, which one do I do first? I think it's the mirror with the just one-sided first, and that goes on the back. Now, I haven't got super glue. It just fits in there nicely like that. Look, I haven't got super glue, but I am going to use E6000 Plus, and I'm just going to squirt some on my mat. And I'm just going to, I mean, that's going to be far too much, but that's why I like these silicone mats, because once that's hard, you can just peel it off. And I'm going to get a little micro brush. And I'm just going to put some. I mean, super glue would probably be such a better idea. Be kind of more instant than this. But it slots in there so nice and neatly. So it just needs a little bit of help. And after time, when this is dried, this will be just as secure. Like super glue is more instant now. But I haven't got that, so I'm working with what I've got. I just hope I get it right. I should think so. It'd be so cool. I'm making sure there's a good little coating on there. Just don't get any glue or anything on the mirrors and that lot. So now I'm just going to clean that bit off there. And get some kitchen roll to wipe my fingers, because I don't want it on my fingers to put on the mirror. It does say on that, on the description, this one's only got, this one-sided one has only got a film on the one side. Yeah, it does say on the description, do not put your fingers on the bit with the blue film on. Oh my goodness me. They really need to, like, when they put this film on, they need like a tab that you can just pick it off, because I don't want to scratch the mirror. Where's my little thingy tool? Let's see if I can get it off of that. My weeding tool. To be fair, I'm not very good with these either. But it should be easier. It doesn't help I'm trying to rush because I've got to go and cook tea. Angel's having the night off. Cow bag. Yeah, I said I'd cook tonight. And then I said, do you want sausage and chips from the chippy? And she said, no. So I've still got to cook. Just slots in there. Perfect. That's the back. Now, always take this film off before that one. And this tint faces inside. So we got to take this one off. If I can. My eyes get all fuzzy. Right, I got that off. Get rid of that. Now I've got to get this off without touching it. I actually haven't put any thing on that, have I? Any glue on that yet? How does that fit in? Fits in there. Okay. Just needed to see where that went. Yeah, I can see it now. Right, let's get some glue on here then. There is a little slot there that you can see when you look closely. Don't get any fingerprints or anything on that mirror that's in there. Don't drip any glue. That will alter the effect, I should think. Some dogs barking outside now. They're not mine. Luna's in here with me and my daughter's dog is with her. Perfect. And now we've got to try and get this off without touching the screen. Ah, that one came off loads easier. And that goes in there. Just going to press it down. Oh look, made it dirty already. Right, I'm just going to get a cleaner piece. I'm just going to give this a wipe because I have just wiped it with a used piece of kitchen towel, which was a stupid thing to do. Mind you, I could wipe it. It would be a lot easier if it stuck properly. Right, so that is that. Let's see if it works. Oh my goodness, it works. Oh, that is so cool. Goes on forever. It's like a proper little portal. Oh, I'm really impressed. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. So I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm just going to get another piece just to dry that bit off now. And then I'll do the cleaning of it once it's dry properly. That is so cool. Huh? Oh, I love that. Be a great nightlight. I really do think that would be quite a good seller. It's brilliant. I probably will highlight. I don't know whether to just leave it alone and just let the light do its talking, which I might do because I mean that colour is beautiful. So that's my pieces for tonight. It's so cool. I love it. Right, just gonna it's brilliant. I love it. I decided to highlight it in the end, but you'll see it in the pictures. Thanks for joining me, guys. Take care. Bye.